Hello! Today I have a very special video. I have a very special product to review. It's the Morphe X James Charles eyeshadow palette. I really enjoyed creating this look. It's very bold, it's very dramatic. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You will see more exciting looks like this on my channel. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on this palette, then please keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to be doing the base first. If you just want to see the eye makeup, then skip forward. I will put a time on the screen now, but I know some people like to see the base and the eyes as well. So yeah, just skip through if you don't want to see this part. But today I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Primer. I am wearing a top, it's just I'm going to be putting white by here, so I'm just rubbing that into my skin. Oh, love the smell of this. Amazing. Okay, so for foundation, I thought it was only fitting to go in with James Charles's favourite foundation. It's the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is in the shade Nude. It is a little bit tan, but we will make it work. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Y6 brush. And for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, the Super Coverage one. Just noticed I'm using a lot of Too Faced. Didn't mean to. Then I'm going to take a sponge. Okay, so then I'm going to go into the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. And I'm just going to set my under eyes with a brush. And then I'm taking a bigger brush and go in setting my whole face. And then for bronzer, I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in 025 Sun Glow. And then for blush, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Life's Peach blush, which I love. And then I'm going to set my face with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. This is the coconut scent. Lovely. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with highlighter. I'm going to take the Balm Mary Luminizer just because I love this one. It's a highlighter I go to when I am doing any look. Okay, so the base is done. Now I'm going to go on to the eyes. So I'm going to be doing this look by James Charles. It's the main look on his campaign, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette, of course. I'm so excited to use this. So this is what it looks like. I'm so scared to get this dirty. It's really, really nice. It's nearly the same size as my Apple MacBook Pro. It's just a little bit smaller. It's so thin. I love it. But yeah, the front is matte with the shiny James Charles and Morphe writing. It has this sheet with all the names on it. I would have preferred the names to be on the actual palette, but that's fine. It has Unleash Your Inner Artist up here by there, and then this is the palette. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It's got every single shade you need. I have swatched a few because I wanted to see how actually pigmented they are. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to be taking the base. This is the P. Louise base in the shade 0. Just going to pop that on the back of my hand. I think I'm going to do one eye on camera and then one eye off camera. So I'm going to take this on a kind of flat concealer brush. And I'm first going to carve my eyebrows out. So then I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to get the shade Escape first. I'm basically following what he did in his video. I'll show you on the screen. I'm not going to set my base. I'm not sure if he did or not. I can't remember. I believe he has bigger eyes than me, so it's going to look a little bit different, you know. So far, this shade looks stunning. Trying to get that winged effect that he had. Okay, so we used a different M433 brush, but I don't have two. I was going to get his makeup brushes set, but they were too expensive, you know. So I'm going to take the Morphe M518 brush and take the shade Single and really diffuse that purple, and he went into the crease with this. This shade is beautiful as well. These two shades blended together so nicely. Then I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush and I'm taking B, which is the bright yellow shade. So I'm putting this right in the inner corner. Okay, yeah, this is hella pigmented, love it. Blending this quite far up. Yes. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade You're Kidding, which is the bright red shade. This one has a little bit of kickback, and I'm going to put that in here. Oh wow, that is red. Oh, and I'm using the Zoeva 224 brush. These shades blend so nicely together. I'm not doing much blending, which is great. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade 518, which is a bright orange shade. For this I'm going to take the Blank Canvas E10 brush, just because it's a nice small brush. And I'm going to put this right in between the red and the yellow, just to blend them two together. But I'm not going to put too much because it has blended nicely anyway. Okay, so next I'm going to brush the orange shade off the Blank Canvas E10 brush because I want a precise brush. And I'm going into the shade Skip, which is the bright neon pink. And I'm going just above the... Oh my god, this shade is pigmented. I'm going just above the purple and blending that out into the red. Okay, look no further. This is an amazing pink. You don't need too much of it either, which is great. Okay, love that. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the shade Escape with the same M433 brush, just to darken the outer V a little bit more and blend in them shades. I wanted to do this look in particular because he uses mostly all the like bright shades in the palettes, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to incorporate as many colours as possible, and this look definitely does that. Okay, so next I'm going to take the Morphe M506 and dip into the shade Spooky, which I don't want too much of because it's a black. This is a very pigmented black. Okay, so that black blended out so nicely. Okay, so next I'm going to take the P. Louise base again. You want a really nice white base for this. So I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, so I know he goes and diffuses the cut crease, but I think I like it like this, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Now I'm going to take the white shade called Flashback on a Zoeva 234 brush, which is just a nice flat brush and pat that on. I'm really going to build up this white because he says that it is a white you need to like build up. Okay, so with the Morphe M151 brush, I'm going to dip into Acapella, which is a metallic blue, and I'm going to diffuse this line. And then on the same brush, I'm just going to take the shade Cola and diffuse again, making sure it blends nicely into the outer corner. Like so. And I'm going to go in again with the same brush, just wiping off the excess. I'm going to go in with the shade Hello, which is a nice metallic teal shade, and pop that next to Acapella. Okay, so then I'm going to add glitter, just to add a pop of something, you know. So I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue to apply that onto my eyelid. So I'm just going to pop the glue on with my finger onto where we place the white shade. And then the glitter I'm going to go in with is the one from eBay. I will link it down below. I believe they have their own website. This one has like hearts and stuff in there, which I think is really pretty. And just press that on. Okay, so I've probably got glitter everywhere now. Love that, it just adds a little bit more pop of pink. Love it. Okay, so now I'm going to apply some liner. This is the Soap & Glory Crazy Sexy Kohl. I'm going to put this on my upper waterline. He does add liquid liner on the top, but I don't think I want to do that. I want to keep it like basic like this. Okay, so for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take the brush we took the shade Single on, the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to blend this with the outer corner. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking the Morphe M507 brush and going into the shade Brother, and I'm going to take this right up against the lash line, blending that into the purple. And then with the Sigma Pencil E30 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Social Blade, and I'm going to run this on the inner corner. Okay, so James creates like a new lower lash line, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to put a white eyeliner in my lower lash line. I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Exit. Okay, so I'm going to go off and do the other eye and apply lashes, mascara, lashes and eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, so the eyelashes I went in with are the Eden EO6 lashes. I absolutely love them. They're very fluttery and dramatic. I absolutely love how this turned out. Amazing. I think I'm going to do the white base now. So actually, first I'm going to do the inner corner. So for the inner corner, I'm going to take the white shade to go on there first, just to whiten that bit up a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Ring Light, which is the nice highlight shade. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Now, okay, so I've just done my eyebrows because I completely forgot to do them. I've done them quite thick today, I don't know why. Okay, so now I'm going to take a makeup wipe, and I believe it's this way. So I'm just going to wipe off the foundation on the top of my forehead. I want it to cover my lips. Okay, so for the white, I'm going to take the Revolution Pro SFX White Base. I haven't used this. I bought this for Halloween, but I didn't even use it. So I'm just going to use a dense brush. This is the Morphe G3 brush. And I'm just going to, oh my god, that is cold. Go in with this. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and if you want to, of course. You will see more looks like this from me. Please let me know down below in the comments if you bought this palette and what looks you want to see from me to help you guys out. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'd love to hear your feedback down below in the comments, so please make sure to do that. And yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.